Hi friends, welcome to this tutorial on the UV Island Colorizer add-on for Blender. This powerful tool transforms your UV unwrapping workflow by automatically assigning unique colors to UV islands, streamlining material assignment, and enabling precise texture painting with stencil masks. Join me as we explore how to install and use this add-on to save time, enhance clarity, and supercharge your texturing process. Let's start by installing the UV Island Colorizer add-on. As usual, head to Edit Preferences, then click the Add-ons tab. Click the small arrow next to Install, select Install from Disk, and navigate to the UV or Island Colorizer.py file. Select it, click Install, and enable the add-on by checking the box. Now you're ready to go. Now let's see how to use the add-on. For this tutorial, I'll use Blender's monkey, Suzanne. Press Shift-A, go to Mesh Monkey, and add her to your scene. This will be our object to demonstrate the add-on's features. Switch to the UV Editing tab at the top of Blender. This opens two workspaces, the UV Editor on the left and the 3D viewport in Edit mode on the right. In the 3D viewport, press U to open the UV menu. At the bottom, you'll see two new options, Unwrap with color tags and Reset Unwrap with color tags. Before unwrapping, we need to add seams to Suzanne to define where the UV cuts will be. Think of seams as cutting lines that flatten your 3D model into a 2D plane. Then press Ctrl-E and choose Mark Seam. You'll see red lines appear indicating your seams. Now, select the entire object by pressing A, then open the UV menu and choose Unwrap with color tags. A UV map will appear in the UV editor, showing 3 islands, each with a unique color matching regions on the object. The add-on automatically creates a checker image for each island, so you don't need to make one manually. This lets you check for stretching or distortion when applying materials. Let's fix some distortion, like on Suzanne's nose and ears. Add seams around the nose, then press A to select the whole object. In the UV editor, hover over the nose's island, press L to select it, right-click, and choose Unwrap. The nose is now unwrapped separately. Repeat this for the ears. Add seams, select the ear islands with L, and unwrap them. It's that simple. In the UV Editor's sidebar, press N to open it, you'll find the UV Islands panel. This lists all your unwrapped islands, letting you track and manage them easily. You can rename islands for better organization, which is great for teamwork. The panel also shows which material is assigned to each island, and you can change these materials as needed. To revert to the checker image, click the X button next to an island. Want to paint an island? Click the paintbrush icon for that island. The add-on switches to texture paint mode, creating a paintable texture and a stencil mask to keep your painting within the island's boundaries. Paint away and your colors stay where they belong. If you want to reset everything, go to the 3D Viewport's UV menu and select Reset Unwrap with color tags. Don't use a generic reset. Use this specific option to ensure all add-on generated data, like colors and textures, is cleaned up properly, leaving your UV map intact. And that's it. With the UV Island Colorizer, You can unwrap, visualize, and texture your models with ease. Try it on your own projects and enjoy a faster, more organized UV workflow. Happy blending!